My name is John Simmons. I'm the CNC shop manager here at Stewart-Haas Racing. We work very closely with engineering, and of course the crew chiefs download their information, what they want, to the engineers. The design engineers then conjure up these products that they want us to make, and we work through kind of a design review or whatever to see if, first of all, if it can be made, and then what it's going to take, what process we need to go through to give them the part they want. We don't know the time frame that they're working under to design or develop a part, but as quick as that design is complete, yes, they want the part in their hand pronto. I think now the last total was around 600 parts in a completed car. Now that's everything, big parts like the front spindles, lower, upper control arms, all the steering mechanisms, pitman arms, idlers, center link, on down to the driver controls. We make all the pedals for the different drivers, shifters. Like I said, all those things are custom made for each driver. But then, you move to the rear suspension. We make the complete rear end housing now, which is a process new to us here in the last couple of years. So, like I said, it's a lot of parts in a car. We do have 4th axis on some of our machines. We have 5-axis capabilities on the majority of our machines. And what that does, that allows us to take a design part, program it, and you can machine all the critical features and everything in one setup. Then you can either saw the part off and do your finish operation there, or finish it in a set of soft jaws in a second operation, which usually goes very quickly. But the main key thing is all those critical features and everything are done in one setup. You don't have to worry about losing accuracy relocating that part if you have a part that you're making in 2 or 3 different operations. In our milling, we've got several of the big beasts. We've got several of the VF6s that we use for our larger steering components, center link, spindles, that sort of thing. Again, in the rear end housing manufacturing there, we use the big mills. Probably one of my favorite machines is the little VM2s or VF2s. Those machines are a pretty small footprint, so I mean you can put several of them in a small work area, but yet you've got enough travel and everything where you can make a lot of different components in those machines. Those are probably my favorites. We've got some VF4s. Those are excellent machines. Again, we've got the mid-size, what I call the mid-size trunnion on those machines. They're the 210 size trunnions, and they do an excellent job. Got a lot of rigidity and all in them. Our VF6s have the 310 trunnions, the big beast on those. In our turning now, we just got a 3 new lathes last year, and those are the ST20 and the ST30 Y-axis machines. Again, allows us to have that Y-axis capability. We've got live tooling on the turrets on those machines. Allows us to make a lot of parts in one setup. Again, you do your turning operations, you can come down with your milling tools, finish it, parts complete. We've got two tool room lathes here that we use every day. And those machines are simple enough that a lot of the guys out here, the mechanics and all, have come in and we've done some training with them, and they can come in and do a little shorten a bolt or do something like that simple. They just do it on their own, no assistance. Don't bog us down with their problems. All right, good deal.